we have a runoff. So you guys are going to have to do it again. There's two of you that have to do a runoff. Number 6 and 7. It's the judges. Just, you know, what worked for me was I gave a wink to the judges and that was it. But that was 30 years ago. It might not work today. So do your best. Auf geht's. Okay, the judges are confirmed. Seems to be a difficult decision.
I think they should both win.
Well, there is a decision, and it's not mine, but it's number 7. You a beer. And I want to thank all the gentlemen for participating. Thank you so much, and also the judges.